Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is a market update for Thursday, March 25th, 2021. Welcome to our YouTube channel. First, let's take a look to see where the main index are doing right now, and I'm going to show you how to looking for the stock that are in downtrend reversal, and I will pick up 3 retail stocks so that I can show you how they look like on the chart. Hope that you can learn something from the video today. So first of all, let's take a look on the E-mini SP 500, which is the SP 500 index, as you can see here. So the market it has been in the pattern that going down, and then they put it back up and going down. They put it back up and going down. So right now, today the market is trying to come back down, and then they have a support at the 50-day moving average, but we're still not out of the wood yet. So until we're able to break out the downtrend line here and put it to the upside, but it is the good side that the buyer they step back in and then put it upside. Let's see they'll be able to carry the momentum to tomorrow. And now let's take a look on the NQ, which is the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq a little bit fall behind, but they still hold up very tight here. On the weekend, I told you they try to make a left side and the bottom here and the right side. If they be able to hold up here and then they be able to break out the downtrend line here, the technology stock will be able to continue to put to the upside. But if they take this low here and then they break down the downtrend line here, that will be more problem in the future. So right now it's very a lot of buyers try to get back in today. So let's see if they can carry the momentum to tomorrow to get back to the resistance line here and to see how they are doing, and then we can inform you on the weekend. The Russell 2000 is also be able to find a support at this level here. It is a very important level for Russell 2000, which is a lot of small cap stock. They are suffer for the last 2 weeks. They come down very hard, but today it seems like they be able to find a support here. The momentum get back in, so if they can get back here, and then we can see if they be able to break out or they will go sideways. We will let you know. And the another one is the Dow. The Dow is pretty strong though. They go up. Okay, every time they go up, they pull back down, they break, going up, and now they pull back down. If tomorrow they can give it another bullet candle here, it means that the trend will continue to the upside. The gold, it also goes sideways. Okay, they try to break out, but they don't have enough momentum. So now technically they go sideways here until they be able to break this level here to continue to the upside. The oil, the crude oil, they still hang around here. They go nowhere. Okay, with a lot of issue in the Suez Canal. Okay, the big oil tanker they get stuck there, but I think it not having the oil at all. They still go sideways right now. And gold, first of all, and the Bitcoin is still have a trouble here. After the Elon Musk, he said that you can using Bitcoin to buy the Tesla. A lot of amateur traders from outside they jump in. They think that that's a good news. They think that they can hit to 150,000, so they jump in, but not the case. If you look at the chart tell you that they break a upper support line here. So it means that they are still in the downtrend right now. So that's why a lot of people jump in too fast after they hear the news, and that's why you always trade what you see, not what you hear. That's very important. Okay, so this is one example to show you. The chart will tell you, if you know how to read the chart, the price will tell you exactly where they go. Okay, so now let's as you know that trading is a very risky business. It's not a get rich quick scheme. They involve a lot of knowledge for you to understand the market. Successful traders, they require much more than a good strategy. It requires a discipline, patience, daily guiding, and a lot of experience from practice. You need to be in the right community trading room that everyone will help each other to be success. In our live trading room, every day, our members not just successful themselves, but they always help the other one to success also. You can ask and get answers to confirm your thinking before taking a trade. Every day in our live trading room, I wake up early and draw all the important support resistance level for my members to follow in order to make some quick money for daily trading, as we call an ATM machine. Like today, if you look at the ES future, by using the price action, you see how we trade today. Let's say that today when the market open, when the market is choppy for a few minutes and we'll be able to find a support, and the first trade we take it from here to up to this level of resistance already predefined. That's a 15 point, and people take the profit, they can roll over and then they can short the market down to the bottom right at the line that we already draw here. That's another 30 point. So within very quickly in the first 2 hours, you can make 45 points. That is $2,250 per 1 ES contract. And if you imagine if you try 5 contracts, you can add them up, you do the math, you can see how much money you can make. And not yet that, if you can still continue to trade, and this section from here to here right back into the sell zone, that's another 40 point up to the upside. Okay, so that's why you need to be in the right community, you need to be in the right live trading room so that you can make money, and that's what we call the ATM machine. Okay, now let me show you a simple method that to find the stock that's in downtrend reversal. So today I will pick up a 3 retail stock to show you. So first of all, let's pick up the first one is the SSFM, as you know that. Okay, with a lot of money they flow to the market right now. So the people, they start getting a stimulus check, so they go to spend again. So first of all, they're looking for food. So you know that the Sprouts farmer market, as you know that they have a retail supermarket. They are very successful on the organic food. So okay, so how to find the stock that in downtrend reversal? So the 3 things that you can base on. First of all, you're looking for a stock that be able to file the bottom or at the buy zone, and then they be able to break out the downtrend reversal. And the next one, the third item, is when they break out in the big base with a high volume, they will tell you that the stock is be able to file a support and revert to the upside. So let's look at this stock here. So they have been hit hard from the top here down to the bottom here. So now they'll be able to build in the big bay here. They have a double bottom formation here. And after they break out the downtrend line here, you can see that a lot of volume coming in. So, and then they shoot it back up. You can take a first trade. And after that, they come back down. So the institution right into the buy zone. And then the volume come back up again. And you can take another trade. And right now, it's a lot of volume, put it back up, the trend become positive, and then the top will continue, put it to the upside, okay? So that first one, okay, so always remember 3 simple methods here, okay, that you can looking for the top that reversal. The next one that I'm going to show you is the Target. Okay, Target, another retail store that they're doing very well. So this stock has been slammed down from the top here to the bottom here. So they'll be able to find the support, and then they found double bottom, and now they try to break out and continue high, and now they break out a downtrend line here. So they show you that the momentum is very strong to the upside, so they continue to put it up to the upside. All right, next one is another retail stock. Okay, they say wholesale, but technically that's the retail. Okay, so Costco, everyone knows Costco. So the Costco here, after they slammed down from the top here very hard since the end of last year until now, so they'll be able to find the support, and they right here they build a nice buy zone here, and then the momentum is coming up. You see a lot of volume, they push it back up right at this level here. So the market continue to put it back up. Now to be able to break out the downtrend line, so they show you that the trend going to shift to the upside. Momentum is very strong. So this is another stock that I'm going to show you. So besides this stock, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Wall Street Premium Watchlet, where I'm going to handpick about 4 or 5 stocks every week and analyze in detail with the entry, stop loss, and the target so that you can follow. All right, so remember, do those 3 simple techniques here. If you remember it, and you can search for a lot of stock and they are on the way up, and then that will help you to looking for the stock at this moment, try to revert to the upside. Again, thank you for watching and good luck in your trading. I will see you on the next video. And don't forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So every time I have a new video, I will send it to you. Take care, everyone.